So Williamsburg la do de the bus de chera the Washington Mall che the museum che ani ma de ni iPad la Netflix download chin ke sanjo til de do so the sangma do de bus bula Korean temota Winery sa la kamari da ti taura che and chu da trash bag tila ye ani nga the sanje thang yur do the do de do Washington DC ne pa Williamsburg la so manze the Kingsmill Williamsburg la jorso so ngazu room ready mindu ta so chala le ani this nge so gap ani digital room la do ai so dear do Kingsmill Williamsburg we are here now we have to unload our bags I'm here so we are here at the Kingsmill resort and look at the view it's amazing view outside and our lunch are here is a box lunch I will eat grilled chicken or maybe steak wrap then once lunch they ready yore di langsha resha di shamasa vegan che di chasha che so lunch are here
YouTube ke liye hi Kunchak
hi video do you want to say something
tashi dale
good ta the Kingsmill le so ta ngon zang yima khashis de re ta view pening jodu back din sama bula shat sain ba so the golf cart sama do room pe thalim boyor heje kamangas ko ba jaw the reception le dine pa do view pening jo che ta ngon zo tanda chuzo shiwas la ready do chagre la so hey Sunil so the ninja so look at this amazing view ping jo che ta ngonzo lunch so lunch and here's my lunch steak leg
okay
I don't know maybe
nganzo wrap sa imba wrap shimbo mindu the chicken salad so this is our lunch so he's done with his lunch this is our lunch steak wrap so we are going to see our room let's go and check our room so nganzo the room la do de room khande na taga so Kingsmill treda the Kingsmill so room mang che din de sha nganzo room taga dogenda so nganzo the room bol zui nya khwa zu nya thongmo de zaltis ke je ma shara chia le nga video gya gilemba the kitchen che so they are a little bit quiet so this is our living room TV and let me show you our bedroom the misangmal room re yore so this is bedroom the ani bathroom de che bathroom che changma do ani tebula chala changma yore la se the bathroom de ne ju sho re she de sin bedroom gach ta room khashes dinde re sha chu view do ning je do the golf da changma do swimming pool da men da che de sirona pening je do ta ngaz room ya shamba chik ta do de do ropa din room
the last unit right there
look at this view it's amazing
it's exceptional
wow yes
you live in here
yeah so this is the room so So we'll check the room. So let me see the room. So, oh, twin bed. Okay,
Yeah,
it's good.
It's not those
Yeah,
fancy ones.
fancy one, but it's good. Wow. So view is beautiful.
But I have the view at least.
Yes. So we are here just to sleep at night, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this view. Ta the view sirona. Bengin joche. Be calm dodo. The spaghetti swimming pool che. Ani chuche. Namshi yaga jigdo. Bengin joche. Say. Manzo resort ni ma thora and winery la do de no ta wine tasting chira do ya imba ta dine manzo Kingsmill ge property ni ma thindi re manzo wine tasting chira do de the wine dish ge re do. Let's see. Let's sit here. So we are doing a wine tasting here. Let's see.
Has anyone been to the Williamsburg Winery before?
Yes.
Have. Okay. So we're going to do a tasting of 4 wines. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the history of the winery. So our farm is here for about a little over 30 years. We have 400 acres, 50 of it is actual grape that we grow on property, and there's 13 different varieties. We do everything here. So we grow, bottle, distribute, harvest, everything on property. We do about 44,000 cases of wine a year, which makes us the largest grower, shipper, and producer of wine in Virginia. So we are the largest winery here in the state. The 4 wines you're going to try, your first one is Governor's White. Governor's White is a semi-dry 100% Riesling. It is our first wine that we've ever made, and it is our Governor's Cup winner. Our second wine is going to be our Act 12 Chardonnay. So our Act 12 Chardonnay is going to be a split chard, so it's half oak, half stainless steel. So you're going to get a little bit of the oaky taste, but still a nice crisp finish. So it's not going to be super oaky for those who don't like an oak Chardonnay, and it's going to have a little oak for those who do. Our next wine is going to be a dry rosé. Our dry rosé is going to be Cab Franc and Vidal Blanc. It's going to be a light, nice pink color. It's great for summer. It's got a little berries to it. And our last one is
The Riesling, Riesling. So this is Riesling. I don't drink wine, but I will taste it today. There are 3 different kinds of wine. So let's do it. Okay, this is dry rosé, yeah? This is second wine. So the wine you did it do dry rosé.
It's Cab Franc, I believe.
What? You have 400 acres. You grow wine on 40.
So I'm asking
There's a lot of wine.
Thank you.
right.
The manzo dry rosé try siya indo. This is my cup. Just a little bit. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Thank you. The dry rosé redo da. Kasa manzo wine tasting lede. Changmalo wine shusha. Tanganzo magye pil dry indo. Tanganzo Williamsburg winery le dewa. Ani such a penguin jo do chera. The kora gade. Gablo the photo session do de do da. The and Gablo de deer and the gundrum deer any big tagadora. That's it. Namshi yaga chido. Ta mitsangmalo susu pargani shusha. The kashe de and on the kora chi yaga. This is my friend Brianna. So let's walk over there. The stainless steel wine barrel Risha. The Sirana. The some of the Chantimahavi. And Dibula Gundum Dishuser. Cross sheet. The Tinted da Winery Lana. Manzo the Williamsburg winery Cheshire the lady, the wine ki barrel and the see the stainless steel flavor yunya the barrel in the Balugido. And the wine chick tung de. Philip, can you take it around, my friend? Thank you. Thank you, Philip. The Sirona. England la lege do da. We are in somewhere in England, The Sirona. The England lege do the England. The Williamsburg winery tours and tasting che ngazu tibula test chi sa imba. And the kora get there. The see the barrel in the do. Kora get there though. Kusimbudu. On the wine tasting and his snacks. That was the shala on the table today. The Namshi Sirana, Penyan Jotongi, and this summer Gundum Dresha. The field che Penyan Jodo, Namshi Yawo Silbudo, Tansawa Mindo, the Gondatis Tamudo Chagresungi. The see that what the door. Beautiful view. The Gundum ki Dongbo door Dinderish. The Gundum mix a came into Tanakon season Mengira. The Sangma Dinderish. The Pang didn't do combat Pemogauto. The Dirish wine tasting, she said the dairy do. The Nishugo Kajang logo. Number to go with the Nasunga, Ni Kajang logo. That's a Williamsburg wine tasting did it. The Virginia gave this Cheshire some Kwanzaa. The Manzo motor the Basum Yato. The England leg do the Kambat is a bit mandado. Nyachera and Shasha she and Shogo that they had on some Shella should do. Shella Nyango. Look at all this dessert. Chocolate cheesecake. Time to go back, people. Okay, now after dinner we are going back to our room and she just got a drink for $15. $15.
$15.
You want recording?
$15.
$15.
$15.